You guys, I have this huge box that General Wax and Candle Co. sent me. I have no idea what's in here because apparently Staples misplaced this package and they just somehow found it. So we're gonna find out what's in it together. This is huge. It weighs, according to this, 13 pounds. So let's find out what's in it together. I'm super excited because this is kind of like a gift because I have no idea what is in it. We're gonna discover together. It says handle with care, and that is fragile. So I'm like trying to think of what it could possibly be. This is well packaged though. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, this is so big. Okay. This is very well packaged. Let me show y'all. Do you see that? It's like they put peanuts, packing peanuts. They put bubble wrap around it. Like everything is very much secure. Now, what is in here is the question. Okay, so let's find out what's actually in here. It's funny, this company had reached out to me a while back, but I think they had said that there was an issue, so they weren't going to be able to send me anything anytime soon. Oh, it's two boxes. We got this. Oh, okay. Then, oh my gosh, this is so well packaged. We have this. Okay. Wow. Okay. Which one? Oh, that sounds like it has glass. I mean, it does say that. So, this is a cute box. Okay. Details. Details. Oh my gosh. They sent me candle making supplies. You got wick holders. Okay. Okay. These are lids. Are there? Okay. The adhesive dots. Oh, fragrance. Oh my. I can't wait to smell these. Wicks. Oh. What's this? Oh, gift boxes. Nice. Oh my goodness. And soy wax are my favorite. Is this 5 pounds? Oh wow. Ooh, okay. And then of course, warning labels. Yes. So we got some scents in this package. Of course, we have to smell them. Let us see what's these are hitting on. I am so excited for this because this is, like I said, a gift that I didn't expect. Envy Me. Okay. These are cute little bottles. Very on point with the detail. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. It smells like a washed rose with a little bit layers of like freshness. You know what I mean? Envy Me. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's nice. I would rate that maybe, ooh, I don't know. Maybe a 7.5 out of 10. But I'm like, I have five more. I have five more to go through. So we're gonna see. We're gonna rank them, okay? We have Love Me. A little stopper. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. Mmm. This smells like it has layers of sweetness like a candy, but also some fresh citrus layers on there. It smells like a perfume that I have actually. Oh my gosh, it smells like Jimmy Choo's perfume. That's what it is. That's crazy. I absolutely love this because I love that perfume so much. Okay. Oh, that one definitely 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Okay. Black Rose. Ooh, I love me a rose. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. This smells exactly like the name. You're, I don't know how to explain it. Like, the rose is there, but it's not too strong or too overpowering. There's a layer in there. I can identify that would be the black part of it. Mmm. Oh. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Okay. Queen of the Night. Okay. 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 Oh, this is interesting. I don't like this one. Mm-mm. I don't like this one. I don't know what that smell is, but I don't like this one. Oh, it has some scents in there that are too strong or musky. What is that? I don't know, but I don't know. 1 out of 10, maybe. Okay. Bikini Bellini. That sounds cutie. Okay. Let's remove the stopper. Trying to clean out my nostrils before the next scent. Okay. What? Y'all. Bikini Bellini. Oh my gosh. This smells like what are those candies called? That smells edible. It smells like that candy, that hard candy that oh, what is the name? I wish I could think of the name right now, but it smells like a candy that's very familiar to me. It's like Jolly Ranchers. Yeah, Jolly Ranchers. It smells like Jolly Ranchers for sure. Like the green one specifically with a lot of sweet layers on there. I absolutely love this one. Definitely an 8 out of 10. Ooh, okay. Last one, we got Rose Petals. This one's a little bit clearer compared to the other ones. Oh, I didn't see that before. There are different, okay, you can see the different thickness of each scent. Ooh, okay, some are yellow. This one's like straight clear. Almost looks like water. Okay, we got Rose Petals. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Oh, this reminds me of my refreshing rose water spray I have. It smells just like roses. Mm-hmm. Amazing. Amazing. General Wax. Oh my gosh. Thank you for this. This one though, not it. Not it for me at all. The Queen of the Night. Now, let's see what's in the other box. Because, yeah. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Shoot. So far, I'm super excited with the surprise I received. Oh my gosh. These are jars. Oh my gosh. Oh man, these are so cute. Yes. They're very thick and cute. I love the colors. Oh, they got a purple, sparkly, like hazy-ish. Oh, oh my. Frosted, white. straight white. This is awesome. Oh, this feels so premium. Oh my, I love the feel of this one. It's like the frost is on the outside as opposed to the inside of the jar. Yeah. Because this one, if you look, you see the frost is on the inside. This one, the frost is on the outside. It's completely clear inside and the frost is on the outside. That's really cool. Okay. We got a pink one. Cutie. These feel very premium. Oh, I love me a red. That is beautiful. Okay. Oh, wow. This is like a rainbow of colors. And we have more pink ones. Wow. 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 Ah. So it's like different shades of glasses and they're all like frosted. Some are frosted on the inside, some frosted on the outside. I love them. I absolutely love them. Oh, maroon. Oh my gosh, a deep red. Oof. Yes. I love the frost on the outside though. It's really cute. Ah, oh my gosh. Okay, I cannot wait to use these and see how they test out. Should I do a giveaway? Oh, wow. This is amazing. Thank you, General Wax. It's crazy that I didn't receive these until I don't even know how long it's been. I only have 4 lids. 4 lids, but we have 3, 6, 9, 12 jars. Okay. Is there more? No, not at all. Okay. Okay, there's some lids missing, but other than that, this was amazing. Thank you to General Wax. I am super excited to try my little candle making kit. These scents are amazing, other than the Queen of the Night. But then again, if you like musk scents, you might actually like these. They're absolutely amazing. I love them. Especially Love Me. That's crazy. Okay. Anyways, thank you to General Wax. Bye.